How you feel there, buddy?
I feel a little sick, Daddy.
You a little sick, baby? Really? You feel drowsy?
A little bit.
You sound like a drunk person.
It's the ranting and raving they do before they fall asleep. And wake up in a pool of their puke.
I'm so stuffed up. I can't breathe. Oh, Daddy, sorry, man. I don't know how you got sick, man.
You tell Daddy that he should have got you some medicine.
It just happens, man. We all get sick, okay?
Looks like he's about to jump you.
That's weird, okay? He's like, if I can touch you, I'll kick your ass. You did this to me. Come here so I can hit you. Come here. Come here. So we cool? You gonna put the fist down? You gonna hit me, man?
He said I calm down a little bit.
Okay. I'm gonna let you get some rest, okay?